Welcome to our tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll guide you how to fix Facebook Nearby Friends Not Showing. 1. Open your Facebook app. 2. Click on the 3 lines that you can see on the top right of your screen. 3. Check if the nearby option shows there. 4. If not, then go to your phone settings and then app settings. 5. Open Facebook app settings from there. 6. You will now see different options there. 7. Click on Location and allow Facebook to use your location. You can see your nearby friends in your Facebook app now. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to fix Facebook Nearby Friends Not Showing. Thank you for watching our guide.